Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how I groom my eyebrow and shape it to make it look tidier. So if you're interested, keep on watching. People say that eyebrows are crown of the face. Something so little can make a big difference of your overall appearance. So that's why I always groom my eyebrows. Tools that you will need: first, a razor, prefer a new one. Second, a tweezer. Third, eyebrow pencil. The cheap one doesn't have to be something so fancy, just help you guide or map out where your overall shape of the eyebrow gonna be. If you don't have the pencil, you can also use the brow powder, eyeshadow, or something like that that has the pigments for you to draw on and make a guide before you shape it. Let's zoom in. Okay, so this is my eyebrow. I haven't touched it for a while, just for this video. You can see that it's a little messy and perfect for this video. I used to pluck it and shape it before, and now it's all grown out of places. Before you do, you should analyze your eyebrow shape, and second, think about the overall shape that you want to achieve. For me, I prefer a straighter eyebrow because it suits my face. My eyebrow naturally have an arc here, which I think that it makes my face look a little too feminine. So I do prefer a straighter eyebrow. Not only it's popular, but it also makes my face appear to be a little bit youthful. Don't you want to look younger? After you get that in mind, if you are inexperienced and you never tried this before, you should use the eyebrow pencil here. Just draw a line. So that's where the start point of your eyebrow should be. Repeat for the other side as well. Then I will do this and it will show where my eyebrow should stop. I'm gonna dot it. For my own eyebrow, I don't have this part where it's going to make my eyebrow look straighter. So I'm gonna draw a straight line on top. And I'm going to continue the line all the way to the highest point of my eyebrow. If you don't know where's your highest point, then just do this. Place the pencil next to your nose and to the edge of your eye. It should be right here, like right here. Yeah, the line's gonna stop there. This part is one of the most important part because you have to get the shape right. After I got the line done, then the next line that I'm going to draw is the line under. See, if I want a straighter eyebrow, I need to make sure that I have a straight line across like this. So I'm just gonna do that. Trying to draw a straight line. You can connect this line to the point. Then trying to mimic this side to this side. If you're not happy with the shape or some lines, then you can just use a cotton dip in a remover. Then you just clean the edge. So far so good. This is the shape that I'm going to go for. It does look a little crazy, but don't be scared. It's just the guideline. So the next step is just take the hair that grows outside of the line that you just draw away. First, I like to use the tweezer. Be sure to use a good tweezer as well because you need the one that can actually grip onto your hair. If not, then it's going to be a lot harder. Sometimes it's easier if you close one eye. Now my camera just died. While I charged the camera, I did finish pluck one side of my eyebrow. You can compare the side that I finished plucking and the other side that I haven't plucked. You can see that it's more tidy. So I'm gonna continue pluck the other side and I hope that my camera will come back and I will continue the process. I'm back. After you finish pluck both sides, then you can use the other side or a spoolie brush like this to comb through your eyebrows to see if there's any other place where you miss. If not, then feel free to move on to another step. It's okay if you miss those little small hairs that you can pick it up with the tweezers because we're gonna use razor after this. The next part is to use razor to clean up. Keep in mind that this part you have to be very careful because you can cut yourself with this, so make sure that you're not drunk. Simply do this lightly across to shave those small hairs that grow above your brows. Don't push too hard because you can cut yourself. I cut myself before. Don't overdo it because you don't want to end up with a very thin eyebrow. So I think I'm happy with it. So I'm going to clean the outline with remover. Don't panic if your skin become red, it's going to go away. This is what I end up with. Then you can just check again if you're happy with it. This very long hair, so I'm just gonna take it out. And it's okay if both of the eyebrows are not identical. They're not meant to be identical, they're twins. Let's see before and after. But for me, I prefer to fix my eyebrow every day with an eyebrow powder or eyebrow pencil just to make it look straighter. Depending on your hair color, my hair is black, so I like to use a grayish black eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder to fill in my eyebrows because that I feel like it's the most natural color for me. I don't like to use brown like many people recommend it to use because when I try it on my face, it does look too obvious that I put makeup on. Even though many people say that use browns, it's going to make your face look softer. But for me, it just look obvious. It just look too unnatural. If you have brown hair or colored hair, then go for a brown one. Anyway, I always like to draw a straight line similar to the one that we do it previously, but with this. But we're not gonna make it crazy like that. I'm just gonna make like a very light shadow here to pretend that I have this area because I don't. I'm going to fill in those gaps where I can still see my skin. I'm just gonna lightly draw it like this. And one of the most important part to achieve the straight eyebrow is the bottom area. Basically, just mimic the shape that you just previously draw, but not so dramatic like that. In the middle, I'm just going to lightly draw a stroke like this, and this part I'm going to draw a little hair stroke like that. Then I'm going to use the other side, the spoolie part, to blend it so you won't see any harsh line. So it's going to just be like a shadow. So I'm just gonna repeat the same thing with the other side, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look after I fill in my eyebrows. Let's do before and after. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful in any kind of way. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I go through all of them. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram, Hi Uncle Bank. Until next time, bye!